Okay, here we go. This is a 15-inch Figment Disney Parks exclusive plush. He is super cute and super clean. As you can see, I'm trying to add a little bit more to my listings with these videos to help you and understand and see that what I sell is exactly what you're going to get. I try to take care of my items and ship them the best possible way. Just super clean. And there's his tag. He was originally $24.99 or $24, I think, when we got him. Anyways, there's no stains, nowhere to be found on this cute little purple Figment dinosaur dragon. Anyways, thanks for looking, and I hope you guys enjoy your day.